John, not many teams visit Pen-y-bont and go home with 3 points. That's a great win.
Yeah, it is a great win, and I've just reiterated that back to the lads. I think not many teams come here and get a result. Not many teams come here and keep a clean sheet, especially with the forward players that they possess with Kroll, Wood, Daly, Venables, and obviously Mal Davis and Cei Connah and Kroll's a lot of threats from deep as well. So I'm absolutely delighted with my players. I think they defended to a man outstandingly. Even our forward players are having to work back and run back and show their level of fitness. And we are a very thick group this year, and it matters when you have to come to places like this where you have to roll your sleeves up in the pouring rain and try and win 1-0. But obviously I've got so much respect for Pen-y-bont. They were the second best team last year in this league. And that rounds off, I think, like I've said before, the 3 hardest away games that we'll have this year in Colwyn Bay, first game of the season, TNS away, and then coming here. So we've taken 4 points from those 3 games. I'm absolutely delighted with that.
Fine, a tight game and I guess a frustrating defeat.
Yeah, disappointing, like you said. It was tight, not a lot between both teams, and obviously conceded with a slightly fortuitous goal for them. So difficult one to take, but we've got to dust ourselves off and go again.
Was it one of those games that on another day it could have gone Pen-y-bont's way?
Possibly, but the conditions were difficult for both teams, and like I said, there wasn't much in it. Probably even on the balance of play, balance of chances created. So yeah, I guess it could have gone our way another day, but probably a draw would have been a fair result.
And it was a moment of magic from yourself that made the difference. Did you mean it?
Bit of magic, bit of luck. Yeah, but if you stay in the game long enough and you still, you try your best, and like I thought we did. I thought we stayed in the game the whole time and really put it on Pen-y-bont, and then you're going to get these moments in the game, and luckily at the end it fell, and it was a cross. Bit of luck, but they all count, don't they? So yeah, buzzing.
You started the day in 9th position in the league, which was something of a false position really, because you'd played 1 game less. How frustrating is it in some ways at this early point of the season to be almost playing catch up?
Yeah, we are playing catch up, and it is a frustration when you look at the league table. But I think, like you said there, you've just put it into context that we have played a game less. You look at ourselves and Bala, we're on the same point. So us and Bala have got each other to play. I think Haverfordwest and Flint win today, and Haverfordwest have got Carnarvon later this evening. So it's been a frustration not getting them games under the belt, but we play on Tuesday, and that's great because we've got a couple of players missing now. We've picked up another 2 injuries today. Callum Baratley picked up an injury in training on Thursday. We've now got Kit and Abdi both going away on international duty, which is fantastic for them, fantastic for their families, fantastic for the club. It leaves a little bit of a hole for us come Tuesday night, but that's fine. We've got no excuses. We're not going to make excuses. We're going to go, like you said earlier, and go and try and beat Bala, and I'm sure Fish would be coming to Connah's Quay and try and beat Connah's Quay.